Students at Lee Middle School in Manatee County are lending a helping hand for hurricane victims along the Gulf Coast. Members of the FBLA program are loading up boxes with food, water, clothing, cleaning supplies, hygiene items. They started collecting the donations to bring to Louisiana after Hurricane Laura. Now they plan to stop in the Panhandle along the way. They're asking for help packing a trailer.
We're middle schoolers and we're trying to help the community, and if we can do it, then they can too.
I know it's tough times right now for a lot of people, but it's even tougher for those people that were just affected.
And it's not too late for you to help. Any items and monetary donations can still be dropped off at Lee Middle School. It's on 53rd Avenue West in Bradenton. That's during school hours. The trailer will head north 1 week from today.